everyone doing? We have a little bit of a different background. We have some art going on in the back, you know, getting things together. I got a stitch fix today. I haven't gotten one in a few months. It's been quite some time since I've gotten one. The last time I got one, all I got was earrings. There was really nothing that really did anything for me. If you don't know, Stitch Fix is $20 every time you get it. You can get it more than one time a month, or you could get it monthly, or you could get it whenever you want. So I haven't gotten one in over 6 months. It's been quite some time. I just get it, put a date in there whenever I want it. It's really fun. You get clothes. So the $20 is a staple. So it's $20 to get here. And then whatever items you actually buy, the $20 goes toward those items. I really like the idea of it. I've never bought more than one thing in any of the boxes. I've liked a lot of the things, but some of it is extremely overpriced for what it is, in my opinion. So let's go ahead and get in here. I already peeled open the box, but I haven't looked yet. So whatever you don't want, you return it in a pre-done envelope. This is what I got. Okay, so let me just read to you what it says and see what we got. Hello Amy, and welcome to your 4th fix. I'm thrilled to be styling you and looking forward to hearing what you think. I'm sorry to see you were so unhappy with your last fix. I was really unhappy. I hated everything. I told them like, no, none of it. I had a look at your Pinterest board. Okay, you can link your Pinterest, a page on your Pinterest to them. On your Pinterest board, and can see why the fix went into that direction that it did. Okay. I know you stated you don't like red and didn't care for a lot of print scents, and I saw a lot of red and black and white on your board. So I would love to hear more feedback from you on what colors and patterns you'd prefer to see in your fixes. We want this to be as successful as possible for you and are here to help, smiley face. I made sure to avoid red and did include one black and white printed top and a great shoe for you to try. Let me know if these items feel like a better style match for you along with fit. XO Courtney. I don't even remember what I got the last time, but all of it was terrible. So yeah. So I think I see like a polka dot shirt, and that's literally like all that's on that Pinterest board. Okay, so I have something here. Let's pull this out maybe. Okay, you're weird. All right. What is... Okay, so it's just like metal. There's no like gems or anything. So it's just a regular kind of necklace. It's kind of pretty though. And I like silver. So this is kind of what it looks like on. I'm just wearing like a regular kind of top. Okay. Kind of more of like a statement necklace, like more so than what I kind of have. All right, I might be able to get on board with this. I'll have to see how much it is. You know what I'm saying? All right, let me throw that down. Okay, I've never seen this. These are, okay, shoes. Okay. Those are really cute. They're by Mia. Okay. The shoes don't fit. I do really like the shoes, they just don't fit. Makes me sad. All right, test of truth. Okay, so we have a blue top. It's kind of pretty. Looks kind of big. Okay, let's see if you can hold it back. Okay. Okay. Yeah, not digging it. So my pants are pretty low. They come right here, but this shirt like barely covers my pant waist. It goes down in the back, which is nice. And the sleeves are nice. I mean, it's a cute pattern, but it seems kind of too big in the top too. Like it's just kind of not. Okay, here is the next shirt. I'm kind of trying on as I go. I'm just editing out like where I'm actually changing because I have a tank top on. This looks still pretty big to me though. What size is this? It's large. I mean, I don't know. It's too big. All right. Well, last thing. Okay, this is like a blazer. It's kind of nice. This is really nice, actually. I hope this fits. Let's try it on over this. This is definitely something I could get on board with for work if it fits. This is really soft right here. It's really nice. Wear it with like some sort of pop of color or something. I think it's coming off kind of weird because the shirt is so big underneath. Yeah, I like this blazer a lot. And it goes kind of, I don't know if you can see, but it goes kind of like low. It kind of goes, it goes like past the pockets of my pants. So that's kind of nice if you're wearing kind of like a shorter shirt or something. Okay, so I think I might keep the blazer and the necklace. And then the rest of it is going back, mostly because everything is too big. I hate to say. The shoes I'm really disappointed about because they're very, very cute and I desperately need new flats for work. But, you know, you win some, you lose some. I'm very impressed with the blazer. I definitely like the blazer. This shirt here is very cute, but it's just way too big. Let's see the prices before we make our whole decision. Okay, this polka dot type shirt is $48. The blazer is $68. The layered necklace is $28. The flats were $49, which really isn't terrible, especially when you factor in that you're gonna get the discount, like the $20 off. And then the cross front, the navy, was $58. So the shirts, in my opinion, are just way too overpriced for what they are. The shoes are okay. The necklace seems overpriced. I may keep it. So total, it was $251. And then by all discount, 25% would be minus $62.75. And then minus the 20 would be, total would be $168.25. So if you really loved everything, $160, $70 for 2 shirts, a necklace, a blazer, and flats. I mean, altogether, that's really good. If it was, you know, 4 items and then just the one that I was like, but sadly not everything fits, but I still like everything. I mean, nothing was just a complete disappointment that I wouldn't get it again. The navy shirt, I do like the sleeves, but it just isn't, there's nothing special about it, and it was weird in the front. Like, I have a pretty long torso in my opinion, and so I would have to wear high waist pants. And not all of my pants are high waist, so that just completely, you can't wear that with everything. So, not that I have to wear that with everything, but I would like to have my stuff more versatile than just, I can only wear this one shirt with this one pants. So, really upset about the shoes for sure. I would have loved the shoes. But yeah, that was it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like me doing a try on for Stitch Fix. I'm curious to update maybe my profile a little bit. I clearly need to go down in size for my shirts, and I guess my shoes a little bit too. I need to redo my profile a little bit too, because it seems like I have really boring style, and I might want to jazz it up a little bit, you know? But thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think that my choices are terrible or awesome. I don't know. But okay. I'll talk to everybody next time.